Having trouble launching Mobile Legends on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through some solutions to get the game up and running again. So let's dive right into the fixes. Solution 1. First, check your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a strong internet signal. If the connection is weak, try turning on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. Solution 2. Offload the game. Open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on iPhone storage. Now, scroll down until you find Mobile Legends, then tap on it. Next, tap the Offload app button. Then, confirm by tapping Offload app again. The game will be offloaded. Now, tap on Reinstall app and it will start reinstalling. Once the reinstallation is complete, check if the game opens properly. Solution 3. Reset iPhone settings. Open the Settings app again. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Finally, confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will be reset. Reconnect to your network and you should be able to open and play the game without any issues. So that's how you can troubleshoot Mobile Legends not opening up on your iPhone. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I will respond as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.